Hello, welcome back. Can you guess what I am going to draw today? Draw few lines like this. I am going to draw a simple umbrella. UMBRELLA umbrella. This is a girl who is holding an umbrella. Oh, let's draw some muddy puddle. Adding some clouds and raindrops. Now it's coloring time. We will start with color red. R-E-D, red. Color orange. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. This one is yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. Color light green. L-I-G-H-T, light. G-R-E-E-N, green. Color light blue. Dark blue color. D-A-R-K, dark. B-L-U-E, blue, dark blue. Now guess the color. This is violet.
Thank you for watching.